What is up you guys? Dr. Momentum here, and right now meron na naman tayong panibagong video. And ngayon, ire-review natin si BTC. Ano ba ang ginawa niya? By the way, 100k na naman siya. And sasagutin natin ang tanong na, Doc, alt season na ba? Okay? So, let's go. Without further ado, tingnan na natin to si BTC. Punta muna tayo sa weekly chart. So right now, ang resistance natin would be 100. Let me zoom in on this. 109k. 109k ang resistance natin, and support natin would be 97,800. That would be the previous support. Okay, so second support natin, last line of support would be 89,300 or 89,230. Okay, so ano ba ang galaw ni BTC? Check natin sa Fibonacci natin kung above na ba yan ng neutral level natin. So right now, above 0.50 yung kanyang range. Okay, so BTC is now sitting on 382 level, which is bullish for us. So lagyan natin ng 0.382 to. 0.382. So mag-stay ka dyan. That would be a good sign for altcoins. Okay, so Doc, ano ba ang bias mo dito kay BTC? Personally, ang bias ko would be consolidate ka dyan, and then eventually you break that 109k. And yes, ang bias natin would be 110 to 113k for the next few weeks. Okay? Pero hindi naman Nostradamus si Dr. Momentum, kaya pwede pa rin yan syempre bumaba sa mga level na yan. Kaya nga may support dyan. Okay? So, yun lang para kay BTC, and sagutin natin yung tanong na, Doc, alt season na ba? Okay, so right now may share ako sa inyong tinitingnan ko. Okay, sino ba ang tinitingnan ni Dr. Momentum? So, gusto kong i-discuss sa inyo itong si OM. By the way, hindi to recommendation, ito lang yung tinitingnan ni Dr. Momentum. So bakit ba tinitingnan ni Dr. Momentum yan? Syempre, meron tayong sharing of knowledge na i-share ngayon dito. So get your notebook because this will be juicy. OM is an all-time high. So ano ba yung all-time high na yan? So ATH o all-time high is a term, mali pa ng type, used in crypto when a price breaches its highest point. Okay? So, ibig sabihin niyan guys, na-reach ni OM previous week o previously yung highest price point niya, which is 595. Kahapon to guys. Okay? So ano ba ang meaning niyan para sa ating mga traders? So meaning wala nang previous resistance kundi yang 595 na lang. So hindi ko pa rin magets, Doc, ano naman kung walang previous resistance? Alam natin na ang resistance, when there is resistance, there would be sellers. Okay? So since wala ng resistance, there would be less sellers. Okay? Katulad dito, tingnan natin dito. As you can see here, si OM dito sa binilugan ko, andito yung resistance niya previously. At dahil merong sellers dyan, ang nangyari, tinesting yan, tinest dito. Wait guys, let me get my marker. At dahil merong sellers yan, dahil merong mga na-trap dyan, tinesting dito, as you can see. At dahil maraming nagbenta from this resistance up to here, bumagsak yung presyo. Okay? Yan ang trabaho ng resistance. Pababain yung presyo. Okay? Pero dahil all-time high na si OM, konti na lang yung mga na-trap dyan. Okay? Kasi wala na yung mga na-trap dito, yung mga na-trap dito, nakain na nito. Okay? So, nakapagbenta na sila dyan. Pero dahil malakas yung coin, umangat yung presyo. So, meaning, lahat ng resistance seller dito, wala na. So, that is one of the simplest way to explain price psychology. Okay? So, hindi tayo nang-hype pa. Pwede pa rin itong bumaba, pero ang sinasabi ko lang, all-time high is a good sign for us momentum traders kasi dyan kadalasan yung mga monster move. Okay? Say for example here. Okay, say for example here. Nandito tayo sa way back October 2024. This one is our previous resistance. Okay? So, anong nangyari pagka nung na-break niya yung resistance na yan? Akala natin mataas na and then nag-monster move. Okay? So, that is the power of all-time high coins. Okay? So, yun lang. Yun lang yung may share ko. And then, tanong. So, final question would be, Doc, altcoin season na ba? Okay? So, sasagutin natin yung tanong. Syempre, all you have to do is comment alts below. Comment alt on our comment section para naman maging interactive yung videos natin. And then I will personally message you my opinion. Dr. Momentum out.